All right, this is the next video for Flashback 6. You will be expected to be able to fill in a Venn diagram like this. This is in your notes, page 10 and 11, and it's very important that you're able to fill it in however it is asked of you on a test. Just remember that real numbers is all the numbers that you have ever seen up to this point in your life. Irrational numbers are over here by themselves. That's pi and anything that looks like pi. And then remember that we've got rational, then integer, then whole, then natural. That's just something that you're just going to have to remember. So please make sure you know where this is in your notes, and also just think about, how you would remember it. Real numbers is everything. Irrational numbers is over here with pi. Natural numbers are the ones you learned in kindergarten, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Whole numbers include the 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Integers are that perfect number line, negative and positive whole numbers. And then rational numbers are all your fractions and any decimals that stop or repeat in a pattern. Okay? Which number is considered both rational and natural? So I want to look back for a second. Here's rational. And down here, as you go down, the more specific we get. So rational's up here, but very specific is natural numbers. So that's really what you need to focus on, is natural numbers. So let's put all of these numbers in the calculator. And let's see what we get. Let's see, we have the square root of 49. And then we have 35%. Now, this is something different. When we change numbers to a percent, we multiply by 100. But when we want to change a number out of a percent into a regular number, we divide by 100. That's how we end up with a regular number that we can tell what kind of number it is in the real number system. So just remember, to go from a percent to a decimal, you divide by 100. Okay, it's the inverse. Then finally, we have 2.1. So let's look at all these numbers. We have negative 0.375. It stops. That is rational, but it's not natural because it's not a counting number. Square root 49 is 7, so that is definitely a counting number, but let's check the others. 35 divided by 100 is 0.35. Again, that's a rational number, but it's not a counting number. And then finally, 2.1 is also a rational number, but counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So that means B would be our answer in this case. But this is important. If you see something that is written as a percent and you need to figure out what kind of number it is, you're going to have to divide it by 100 to make it a decimal so you can tell. Okay? All right, let's go to the next video.